Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ashraf Al-Hadi welcoming you all. Let's dive into the famous Rutherford's gold foil experiment carried out by Geiger and Marsden. More than 100 years ago, scientists Ernest Rutherford, along with his colleagues Hans Geiger and Ernest Marsden, conducted an experiment that revolutionized our understanding of the atom. They shot alpha particles at a thin sheet of gold, expecting them to pass through easily. The shocking discovery was that while most particles did pass through, some were deflected back. This led to the discovery of a small, dense nucleus within the atom. Watch the video to understand how they uncovered the secret of the atom and transitioned from the plum pudding model to the nucleus and electrons model. Are you ready to dive into the deepest secrets of the atom? Today, we'll talk about one of the most famous scientists who changed our concept of the atom forever, Ernest Rutherford. In 1911, Rutherford decided to test the prevailing atomic model of the time, Thomson's model, which suggested that atoms were like a plum pudding, with positive charge spread out and tiny negative charges embedded within them. Rutherford thought, "Let me try this." He took a very thin gold foil and launched alpha particles, positively charged, at it, expecting them to pass straight through as there should be nothing in the atom to impede them. However, to his astonishment, while most particles did go straight through, some of them bounced back. Rutherford explained, "Something is wrong." The only plausible explanation was that the atom must have a small, heavy center. This led to the idea of the nucleus. Based on this golden experiment, Rutherford proposed a new atomic model. The atom has a very small, dense nucleus carrying most of its positive charge, with electrons orbiting around it in a relatively large space. Thus, the atom is not like a plum pudding, it is more like a miniature solar system. Rutherford changed our way of thinking about atoms entirely, and subsequent theories were all built on his model. This wasn't just an experiment that changed science, it marked a leap in our understanding of the universe. Understood? If you have any questions or want me to explain something else, write it in the comments. Don't forget to like and share. If you love science and history and want to know how the secrets of the atom were first discovered, this video is for you. Best regards, Mr. Ashraf Al-Hadi, head chemistry teacher.